Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is about to be the 22nd of December of 2021, and we're back for yet another day of Advent of Code. Hopefully y'all are doing well. Let me say hi to everyone who is here. D-Delsp is first today. Fixer Jake is also here. We've got JJMC, we've got Indie Monkey, ASD, welcome back, Halinge, good to see you. And Arrow Bounce. Hello, hello. We're all doing exhausted. Right. I did not get much sleep last night. But somehow, I woke up and felt better than I have in like a week. So, I don't know what's up with that, but I am not complaining. 4 more days to go! We're so close to being done with AOC. I mean, I want to say it that way. Because I enjoy working on Advent of Code. That made it sound negative, but it is not negative. It is fun. I'm thinking we're not getting a Game of Life this year. I'm thinking the dream is not happening. Or if we do, it's gonna be like Septagons or something bullshit. All of those don't tile. But all right, let me get set up so that we're ready to go. Init.py. Copy this to day 22. Open up my text editor. Not just you ready for the week off next week. I'm in very need of it. Well, I don't have the week off next week. That's the way things go, I guess. I'm pretty sure I'll need to sleep until December 30th after 25 part 2 to recovery. Yeah. 4 more days until we don't feel like AOC is mandatory. AOC is fun. Waking up before 6 a.m. not so much. Yeah. 25 part 2 just for Anthony, Game of Life. Yeah. Drake says, at this point it'll be too easy unless heavily modified. Yeah, that's true. How's it going, Eric? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Yeah, which is why I'm thinking that my pre-made Game of Life is not needed anymore. But maybe just maybe just maybe I should have that was a shitty Bestagon. What am I doing? I should have my Bestagon drawing ready so that I can do my Bestagon coordinates. Wouldn't this be prophetic if like it's actually Bestagons today? That would be crazy. Here and here, so it's over 1 up 2 is the units that I used last year, and over 2 for these ones. And that makes a Bestagon. Eric was Game of Life out last year? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Boom, you get that today? Yeah. So when are we gonna get a pay day when the puzzle is to perform credits warp? that would actually be pretty wild. Alright, chat. Despawn these shell fragments in just the right positions as part of your puzzle. Finn says, so your Python logo, do you also see the Python logo as 2 people with giant chins? Let me remind myself of the Pythonk. Where is that live? The thumbnails? Yeah. Thumbnailios. Pythonk. I actually don't know what the Python logo is supposed to look like, now that I think about it. Isn't it 2 snacks? I thought it was 2 snacks. Pretty sure it's 2 snacks. And this is just silly. I'm pretty sure it's 2 snacks. Hey, what's up, Kinbiko? You're pretty bad at drawing the cool S. Yeah, I actually don't remember how to draw a cool S. We had an alt Alt. I don't know what that means. Puzzle output is just up, up, down, down, left, right, BA, start, select. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It's 2 snacks, but I'm not the only one who sees giant chins. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty fair. That's pretty fair. Okay, did I do any open source today? I feel like I did, but I don't remember what it was. These are yesterday. Oh, I know I did this. I didn't merge it. Why are you still red? What do you mean red? I fixed the MyPy issues for PyTest for MyPy 920. Well, some of them. MyPy has a bunch of, or PyTest has a bunch of type ignores that I don't know why they're there. I suspect it might be for other type checkers, but I'm not 100% sure. This one was really annoying. Stream handler was made generic, but it's not generic at runtime in any Python version. So anytime you use it as a base class, you have to like do this type checking hack here, which is kind of annoying. Alt per is a link to the past randomizer. Oh, I see. 2019 day 18. Is that what that was? Oh. I guess I have not played A Link to the Past. I do remember this problem. I think I got points on this one. I think this is like one of the first times I got points. Oh no. Never mind. Oh wait, no, yeah, I did get points that day. I was pretty good on part 2. Oh, it took 3 hours, but I guess a lot fewer people did it back then, so maybe points were less impressive, but I think wouldn't work unless it looked like 2 chins. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. Hey, what's up, Recursive Chat? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome back. How have you been? What is failing here, though? Stupid code cut. Oh, code cut is so dumb. Part 2, part 1. And get that ready. And then we're good to go. We are good to go. Why has a ping on the Discord? Oh, let's see. Group chat. Group chat. Yeah, I feel like I did something else in open source, but I also don't. Oh, I upgraded. I fixed virtual environments for dead snakes for 310 plus, because they were slightly broken by the local changes. The annoying thing is, someone just opened a bug that I'm pretty sure the new distutils is broken for dumb reasons. But I also don't know because setup tools is doing all sorts of weird stuff, and bank enable Vim, yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to enable it last time, so I think it's still disabled. I think I still owe a few bits. Vim time left. Is that what the command is? Vim is currently disabled. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, sudo enable Vim. Yeah. I got more points than you that year. I had 339. I'm missing like 3 days and 2 part 2s. Ah, nice, nice. Yeah, well, in 2019, I went home for the holidays, and so I didn't stream the rest of the stuff. Exec alias nanofim. Ooh. Yeah, that would be fairly brave if I gave arbitrary code access or arbitrary command access from Twitch chat. That would be something else. Chris Chat says, I deployed something today that required a USG reload, but I took the site down. I thought it was as simple as kill hup, but I was wrong. Is USG not kill hup? I thought it was. Hang on, I gotta move my glass plate. I have a big glass plate that goes on my floor, and it slowly slides forward. all the time, so I gotta make sure it's in the right spot. Meeting, good luck, have fun, indeed. Yeah, that's enough water. We'll do fine with that. Good luck to everyone who is doing this today. Why would you have a glass plate on the floor? The number of times where I've had a rolly chair on carpet and just absolutely ruined the carpet, those are coming to an end. So we're putting a glass plate on the floor so that we don't ruin the carpet. But yeah, and because it looks kind of cool. All right, good luck, have fun. 3, 2, 1. We have too many tabs open. Of reboot steps. They are ranges. They are cubes, maybe? Let's parse them and then we'll look at the problem. They will have on as a boolean. They will have x as a two-tuple. And y and z. We need to split the parts out. Okay, then we need x, y, z equals rest dot split on a comma. And then we need to this. Then need to get the two numbers out. Then build our thing. Y, Z, Z. And then okay, got those all parsed. Now let's read the problem. Okay. Three-dimensional grid's made of cubes. Okay, can either be on or off. To reboot the reactor, you need to set all the cubes to either on or off by following a list of reboot steps. Your puzzle input. Each step specifies a cuboid, a set of all cubes that have coordinates which fall into the ranges. Okay, so they are ranges. Turn all the cubes in the cuboids on and off. The first step on this turns on a 3x3 cuboid consisting of 27 cubes. So a cube is just a coordinate pair. Okay. Turns on that overlaps with the first. As a result, only 19 additional are turned on. Okay. Ignore cubes outside of this. Oh, this is the example, not that one there. That's fine. So anything greater than 50 we ignore. Okay, so I think we can just have we don't really need this. We can just use a set. For step in reboots, So the big problem with our input is we have these massive ones at the end, which are going to make a lot of stuff. So we eventually need to figure out. Oh, they're all ons. Oh, we have a bunch of offs mixed in at the end. Okay. Oh, and these can be in either order. Oh wait, no, they're smaller to large? Yeah. Okay, so part one is just brute force, so I'm just gonna do that and then we'll think about the smarter thing after. If step.x 0 is greater than 50 or step.x 0 is less than negative 50, just skip those. If step.on chords or equals oh. Ooh. That is slow and wrong. Oh, I know what we can do. Stop filling up my memory. We want to clamp it. So if it's less than that, we need to bring it up. So we want max this and negative 50. And we want min this and 50. Yeah. We still get that other answer. What? You can just ignore these two, right? Because those are out of bounds. Why do we get the wrong number? Wonder if it's not inclusive. Put stupid commas on here again. That's an even smaller number. What the fuck? Do they start on? Is that the problem? What? Oh. Stupid mistake in the parse. Okay, that is significantly too slow. So let's put this back in. And put these back in here. Let's get us part 1. Okay, on to part 2. That's not gonna be fast enough for points. So we have to be clever for part 2 now. Start with all the cubes off. Okay. So we need to do cube intersection. You really need to slice 3D space, I think. We can also... We basically want to create subcubes that are on and which have a particular size. How do we want to represent those? That's maybe we should do I think this is going to make it easier to do that. Cubes equals list. Kind of want a sorted list. There's not really a good way to do that. Oh, we kind of want a KD tree. But maybe there's not that many cubes, so it's fine. How many cubes do we have? 420. Blaze it! 420 cubes. Not terrible. 420 times 420. Probably gonna do an n squared thing. It's probably gonna get bigger than 420. It's not that many iterations though, so it's fine. Okay. New cube equals. We need to figure out if cubes intersect with each other. And we also need to do a subtract. And this will give us oh, this is gonna be tricky because we're gonna have cubes that gobble other entire cubes probably. So I have a cube with a cube around it. If we gobble out a cube in the middle, then we have a weird conical structure. Okay, so uh I think the reboot can have a cube. This is now just cube. This is cube. The problem is they are ordered. Fortunately, we have lots of on cubes and not too many off cubes. Okay. If step dot on for cube in cubes. Oh. How do we want to represent this? Because if we overlap with two cubes at once or multiple cubes at once, it's tricky. So this isn't quite going to work. So need So it's basically this, but we need to let's see. Okay, my thought is that we do this. And the cube parts will be a thing. Result cube parts. For an addition, actually we don't care. We don't care about splitting up the cube part. We just don't want to add. I want to add the full cube twice. Actually, we do care. We need to know. We need to know what we add and subtract later. Because we need to know like what chunks of the cube we subtract out. Is it sufficient for an add cube to remove those parts and add? If we take a corner out of a cube, we really have. I guess they're not cubes. They're not always cubes. But we're gonna call them cubes, even though that they can be rectangles. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah. It's tricky because I kind of want to modify the cube parts, but we're looping over this here. We could know whether things will intersect more than once. That would make this easier. Maybe we just record all the intersections and maybe we specialize, add, and subtract, record the overlaps, and then don't double count them at the end. Subtraction, I think, is easier. Addition is harder. Okay. If step dot off, then if cube dot over intersects step dot cube, then new scubes. Oh, I'm gonna hate the word cube after this. Yeah, I think I know how I'm gonna do this. For cube in cubes. If cube dot intersect step dot cube, I think we can actually get away with only implementing subtraction. This is not overlaps, this is leftovers. Okay. I think that part is all fine and dandy. Now we just need to implement just. Need to implement these functions. Okay, so how do we figure out if a cube intersects with another cube? Cube intersection algorithm. We cheat because... oh, there's no code here. What the fuck? I feel like we've done this before. You know, and all these conditions together, the result is true. You know, the cubes intersect at some point. Biggest x is greater than the min x, and the min x is less than the max x. Why am I looking this up? And I feel like I should just be able to do this. So if this should just be a big return, some Boolean logic. Okay, so x1 would have to be oh yay, nice drawing. Okay, cool. x1, x0 less than x2, x2 greater than x1. Okay. That way? Of 1, 0. Okay. So I have to do this for 3 dimensions. Oh, what am I doing? Is this interactive? Okay. Then we implement subtract. We have one case where they completely contain the other cube. So it is self-subtracting the other. So we need to remain so what is the complete containment? So the complete containment is x0 is less than the other's x0, and x1 is greater than the other x1, I think. But for all the dimensions, self.x0, or wait, contains the other cube. So this is less than other.x0, and our x1 is bigger than their x1. So 0 is less than 1 is bigger than. It's in this middle. Then we need that for the 3 dimensions. Okay, so if other dot contains self, then we just return an empty list. Otherwise, we need to figure out how they overlap. So annoyingly, it's 3 dimensions. They can overlap in a whole bunch of different ways. So they can overlap where... Oh, there's so many ways this can go wrong. They can overlap... Like they could, one could be completely inside of the other, it could be a corner, it could be a slice, oops, it could be an edge, the thing. A sliced of corner. I guess we could specialize those around each of the axes. We already have one specialization. Well, let's do the case. Elif self dot contains other. Self contains other, then we need to draw a hypercube, kind of. But we can cheat a little bit and make 2 slabs. And 2 long pipes and then end caps. There's gotta be a better way to do this, right? Subtract 3D cubes. With dick terms. Oh, this sketch looks like what we want. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. This drawing also reminds me of another case, which is that we just take a chunk out of the middle. Oh. We end up with this C shape as well. Hmm. Well, How do I think about this? How do we make this happen? We can divide them into... We can divide them into 9. We're not doing bestagons. We have a cube. This is gonna be such a shit drawing. Cube. Well, it's not really a cube, it's a box. Gotta remember, it's not a cube, it is a box. And we can draw and extend each of these out. So for each face, there's 6 faces. So we have 6 that are like this. And I should have used a different color for those. Let's use blue. That is one rectangle out. This is another rectangle out, and you can imagine there are some in each of the directions. And then we have what left over? We have a thing that looks like this. We have a box region. I guess we have like a region like this. Yeah, it's tricky. How do I turn? How do I subtract the cubes? Oh wait, this is also not quite right. Uh, Shit. Do. We could just make. Uh, you just make subtract smart. Yeah. We don't even need to do this. Just say yeah. Okay, if not, self dot intersects other, return self. Yeah. Okay. So that kind of gets that. How you doing, chat? Let me check the leaderboard before I check chat. See if we're actually risking points or not. 22, 100. There's still some points up for grabs. Okay, so never mind. I won't read chat. You guys get ignored for a little bit longer. We kind of need to figure out different chunks. So I think I wish I had like a better way to draw this. How many? Put a cube in a box. It has 6, 10? That doesn't sound right. It have 14 pieces? 15 pieces. Doesn't sound right. I expect it to be. Look at the face. We have hurt. We're gonna have 3, 6, 7, 8 on this plane. And we'll have 9 above and 9 below. Yeah, and then I think we just need to find all those boxes that are non-zero. Yeah, I think that's right. Oh wait, there's... Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we need to generate all 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 18. We need to generate all 26 boxes, and the ones that exist get returned. Oh, that makes this really... That makes that kind of slow. Because it turns 1 cube into 25-ish cubes? Well, it turns 1 cube into at most 26 cubes. Which makes our stuff a lot slower. I think that's maybe fine. Okay, let us generate those cubes. So we are subtracting from little cube, so we need to make other cubes. How do we generate all of those? We basically have 2 corners. We have corners. We can generate cubes from corners. Yeah, we can generate cubes from corners. So instance, if we have, or pink, that's fine. It's totally the color that I wanted. We have 8 corners here, which means we have those 4 around here, these 2, so those are the faces. We have a ring here, a ring here. So let's just say that we have, let's grab our cube. Let's grab this as well and use that to short circuit. Okay, so let's say cube 1 is a cube from 0 to 10 in all of these directions. And cube 2 is a cube from 3 to 5 in all the directions. So subtracting those, we should get cubes so let's do the ones where x2 to this x2. Oh, it's really just the 2's to the 2's. Except in this case, that one's weird. Zach1471, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, actually, that one's not even weird either. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, so let's do the corner ones. I think those are the easiest ones to think about. Those will be cube 1 dot x1 to cube 2 dot x1. That gets this vector. Then we need to get this vector, which is cube let's just consider the bottom one. This is one of our cubes. This one represents the max z max y max x cube. Thank you. Wish we didn't stop learning game dev. Yeah, this is maybe something game devy, I think. Wish I had something better to visualize than this damn cube. A box. I have any cardboard boxes. I will just have to brains. You have a Rubik's Cube? That's kind of nice. Okay, so what we have done is we can assume this is let's just do in the 2D plane, and then maybe we can generalize to the 3D plane. This is b x0 b y1. Oh, this is that's totally what I want to do. And this is o x1 o y1. This is o x0 o y0. And this is o x1 o. My brain hurts from visualizing cubes. It means it's working. It's working! Okay, so then this point here is o. This is s x0 o y1. Maybe these are not helpful. Let's just get rid of it. So this is x0, this is x1, y0, y1, except it needs to be named. Okay. So how does this work? Well, we basically want to generate, we can generate all 3 layers and then just subtract out this one. That might be easier. That might be easier. 551, 204, nice, nice. Yeah, I think that's gonna be easier. We'll generate all 27 cubes. Oh, 26, 27 minus 1. Yeah, no shit, Anthony. And then, yeah, we can then subtract out our own cube. Okay, I think that's fine. And then we can subtract out any cubes that are empty. So we have a whole bunch of y pairs here. We have o y1, we have, sorry, o y0 to s y0. We have sy0 to sy1, and we have sy1 to oy1. We have that for all 3 axes. That'll get us 27. Then we just subtract out the ones that are empty. Okay. What did we have? Other y0, self y0, self y1, other y1. So these are. Okay, and we know that they are invalid if this is true. Um, and that is going to include the other. Stepped it off. Okay, well that's fine. 7. It's not right. Should have ended up with way more than that. Really? Where's my pee-pee? That sounds funny. Shit. Okay, so we ended up with 4 here. Oh, there's a typo. These were supposed to be 1s. Ooh. 26? Nice. All right. Janko, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We don't need to do this. Oh god, it's so slow. Fuck. What is it doing? What are you doing? Ah. Oh, is this thing intersecting with a whole fuck ton of cubes? Ogita, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Hmm. Wait, it got past that one. But that one was so slow. That one was so slow. And this input is how many lines? $185. Is there a way that we can reorder these in any way? I think we can reorder these in any way that we care within a chunk of ons. We can group ons and we can group offs. So for a long chunk of ons, it might make sense to sort them. Yeah, my guess at what's happening here is that this is low. Because this is like, this multiplies by 26 each time we hit another cube. So it's fractaling out a bit if it contains a whole bunch of other cubes. But I guess if it completely contains a cube, then we can just delete that cube. That might make this faster. I think we're fine on the subtraction. I'm gonna leave subtraction alone because I feel like subtraction went fine. Like we never lagged on a off, which kind of makes sense. Okay. Start by doing this. Getting rid of any that are completely contained. Oh, or we can just subtract and then add the cube in at the end. It's still slow. It's still so slow. No. So the other idea is we have to start joining these cubes together somehow. All right, let me read some chat. Oh my god, there's a lot of chat. That's because we're an hour in. I've seen ads for those things. I've always had a plastic one. What do you think of the glass? The glass works well. It's like the wrong surface to have a glass plate. It works. Hey, what's up, Aneurysm? Hello, hello. This one looks like fun. I might give it a go after I finish work tonight. Nice. AOC is not strictly a linear progression from easy to hard. It's complicated. Yeah. Wibbly wobbly mathy wappy. And it goes ding when there's stuff. Yes, the Doctor Who references. I have to say, I require to know where you got that long boy cat on your shelf, and then I'm off to bed like a normal person. I can send you the Amazon link. I kind of want to just wait and let this one finish. See if it gets the right answer, and then see if we can optimize. There's not too many left. Just gonna let it continue along. Orders, search orders. I remember it having like not a name that would make sense if you search for plushie. Plush? Yeah, there it is. I guess plushie is not quite a name. Well, if you're still here, Julian. Well, your name tab complete, so perhaps. Orlin, hello, hello. Good to see you again. You know it's bad when the code needs 30 seconds to abort. Yeah. Hey, what's up, FunFit? Hello, hello. Yeah, it was doing all the memories. What have you done to Noodle? Yeah. Gilliam Whipson. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Niram. I don't know if I said hi to you. Welcome, welcome. Lost in Oxford. Welcome, welcome. What is the goal of the AOC? To complete the game. The only winning move is not to know. Grandpa's iPad. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Use a plush. Oh, that would have been a good idea. Did I say I had a fun bit? I think I did. Python. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. My brain hurts from visualizing cubes. My air bounce is done. Nice. Dakabab. Welcome back. Never seen that class adder syntax before. It is type annotations. So if you do explains typing mypy, you should get to that. Explains birds. Hey, what's up, time traveler? Hello, hello. Is Python 3 your favorite language? Not really. It's just probably the one that I'm the best at the moment. Oh, this is taking a real fucking long time. So I think the main problem is that we're splitting into so many cubes here. And we really need a way to join cubes that exist. Which we can kind of do. Like if we know we can make slabs in most cases. The only case where we can't make slabs is this one. And I think if we make slabs, then it'll be faster. You make a rough estimate by combining and using bounding box. What? I don't know what that means. Sorry, I was just zoning out thinking about something else. I'm gonna fill up my water. I'll be right back. Oh no. Why are we consuming so much memory? Has Eric made a fractal on us? Yeah, we might have to kill this. I'm gonna run out of memory. How does it possibly end up? Oh, how? I guess if we're continually making 26 of these things over and over and over, kind of makes sense. I should stop this before I run out of memory though. What step are we on? 25699. Damn. We're not even close to the end. Oh wait, this is an on step. Oh no, on equals false. Did the memory go back down after that? No. Okay, we are gonna stop this. To wait for it to garbage collect. Oh, damn. Okay, I have to think about this differently then, I guess. Yeah, I think the thing is, like, in some cases we can, in some subtractions, we can just end up with 3 cubes instead of 27 of them. That's already the way it works, except it'll be 4. Let me play around with the cubes a bit. Does this even give us the right thing? Zero 50505. Ended up with how many cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I intended to take a corner out, which would leave. Should have left an entire plane. We should have gotten at least 9. Yeah, wait. How is this even right? What about in just the XY plane? Wait, we should have never ended up with 20 here. Yeah, we should have never ended up with 20 here. Did I implement subtract backwards? They don't intersect, we just return self. If the other completely contains self, we return nothing. We are subtracting the other cube. Yeah, this math is just like wrong. um which is why this is screwed up. All right, if L.x0 is less than other.x0, Yeah, because this was going too large. We need to do this, I think. Is this evil? This is evil. The tiny optimization. That's still ended up with these in here. How the fuck? Oh, because these are not necessarily given. Hmm. Hmm. Let's poke a battle. We could play Pokemon at some point, but not today. Murphy, hello. Batiska, how's it going? Good to see you. You're up late. Is this year of ASC harder than the previous one? There's been a few days that have been tricky. We're only like an hour 20 into this one, so this is not too bad. Hey, what's up, Pylang? Hello. Optimization, yeah. Adrian, hello. Yeah, so let's print where we're screwing up here. Yeah, so this is not true. What am I doing? These, I think, also need to be the... Oh, I know what I can do. I can just generate them and reuse my contains. Yeah. Cubes equals... It's gonna be a big fucking if. uh... Oh, we need the same thing that we wrote earlier. No. Those should be illegal. No. We don't see any of the 10s in here, which I find is interesting. Just call me hint-free Brett since I don't give hints anymore. Nice. Murphy says, got my first split keyword on Sunday. Oh boy, has it been a learning experience. The ortholinear columns fucked me up more than the physical split. Interesting. Wait. Contains. Didn't. These are just fucked. Well, it subtracted out all the ones that I wanted. Not any of the. This is the only. I think this is the only correct cube of all of these that remained. And even then it's not right because it's exclusive, not inclusive. So it should have been 1 to 4. Which is another bug, I guess. Like it should be like this. Oh, I don't want to make a mistake here. That would be so hard to debug. Minus plus, minus plus, minus plus, minus plus, plus. Okay, this cube is right. This cube is not. Add more conditions. What could go wrong? I don't think this is going to help us either. I think this is going to eliminate more of the things. I think we have the wrong set of bounds in the first place. So we only have one cube left now. That cube is one of the cubes we expect. The Baxter, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But we are missing a whole bunch of others. Narf, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Journey AI, hello, hello. Good to see you both. Frog Whip, welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. So we are subtracting out this chunk here. We should expect to see all of these cubes. Well, the question is, why don't we? We should see... What is one of the cubes? So one of the cubes we're seeing is 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. That's fine and dandy. That's like this cube here. Damn it. This cube here. But we should also expect to see we should see all of them in this column. Right? Yeah. How come my puzzle input gets the right value, but the example doesn't? What? Oh no. Well, that's even worse. Oh, cubes, how do you work? Why is my cube subtraction so terrible? I should really be working through all of the top left, bottom rights, right? So we have... New puzzle not big enough, we good now. Oh, cool. Connor Maku, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Sashimara, welcome to the stream. I must not be generating my 9 cubes properly. That would be my guess. Interesting to see some other approaches this one. Yeah. Yeah. So the problem with my like off by 1 thing here is I'm actually generating this slab here. I guess that's fine, because we would say that this one is still okay, and this one is okay. I'm not generating all of these ice cubes properly. That's the problem. But why? Thought that might work, but I guess not. Maybe is my contains function busted? What? What would be an acceptable AOC result? I feel my limit is today. Anything that you can do is acceptable. Don't worry about measuring yourself up to other people. Whatever you can get working is absolutely fine. Okay, so this mess that I have is just fucking wrong. Like, I expect a whole bunch of cubes. I expect... How many do I expect here? I expect these 9 and these 6. I expect 15. I expect more than that. I expect these ones up here as well. I expect 4 plus 6. I expect 19 cubes. Which means I subtract off 8 cubes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe I expect 20 cubes. 21 cubes. We have the plane of cubes here, that's 9. We have plane of cubes here, which is 6. Then the plane of cubes down here, which is 4. 20 cubes is 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we expect 20 cubes. So how do we generate those 20? I need to use the restroom. I'm going to do that. I will be right back. All right, I'm back. Yeah, I'm solving part 2. I'm having I'm having trouble visualizing cubes. Okay, so if we actually look at our cube, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 16 points. Oh, I guess it's 4 by 4. There's 16 points. Really, we just want each of these diagonals. We just want all of these corner situations. Which are these pairs? Hey, what's up, Opti? Hello, hello. I'm currently generating nonsensical cubes, I think. Do I just flip these around? B. Oh, this is gonna look gross. I don't know what a... I literally never use walrus. Of course that was gonna happen. This gives us 27 actually reasonable cubes. My contains wrong? Okay, so that is one of the cubes we expect. None of the ones with 21 are ones that we expect. So that's gone. This cube is the same as this cube. How did that happen? What? Oh wait, no, it's not. We have an empty cube here. I mean, I have a typo. How is that possible? Look in your code Y in the second line. Good call. Any of the ones with 21 are garbage. We do want the ones with 10 in them. Ugh. I'm gonna stop thinking about this and try something stupid. Oh, that is the least satisfying way that it could have paused. That's like the best part of the song. Oh, that was so dissatisfying. uh 4 to 4 is still one wide. Did you make it non-inclusive when reading? Yeah, 4 to 4 is still one wide. Which means I need to subtract in that thing up there. Oh, minus 1. Minus 1. We have 8 cubes. They are all correct. Hog? I think we expect more than 8 cubes. But how you doing, Qualzy? This is better, at least. Better than I'm watching you. Sub equals C1 dot subtract C2. Subtract. No, I'm getting tired. Okay, that length is right. But why do we not get the cubes we expect? Like, these should all get eliminated. Cool. Wait. $10 to 21 is not even in our original cube. So we are slicing this wrong. There's actually way more of these that we need to consider. Hold on. Maybe this is right and I'm just not visualizing it well. Well, that's clearly not right. We have not subtracted at all. We have just split it up into a bunch of pieces. Vicious Uno, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, because the inner cube doesn't actually match. So we really just need to subtract one of the cubes out of here. It should be whatever the 4 to 10, 4 to 10, 4 to 10 is. This one. This one shouldn't be in there. How do we know that? how do we get rid of that cube? Because it isn't contained in the actual cube. Oh, the edges are annoying. If we don't have the edges, it's easier. Oh, you're so close. You're so close. So far away. Then 84. Is that what we expect? Subtracting out 5 to 10? 6 by 6 by 6? Okay, so if we can figure out how to eliminate that cube, then we're there, then we're good, then we're golden. We've eliminated all the other parts. We just haven't eliminated the inner one. Guess we could say... It probably doesn't work for the other cases, though. Part 2s are evil. Yeah, so it's close. We just have to eliminate this one. Oh, we can do it the other way. That way? Hmm. Hey, it's fucking fast now. God damn. Bases. Wicked. Okay. Are you using the example from part 1 to try and recalculate? Yeah, I'm using the big example from part 1. Can I maybe try the small example? Let's try the small example. Then maybe that will help us. Small example gives us a correct count? I don't know, I even tried that. Not tried that yet. Is the small one supposed to be 39? And we get 7. So clearly that's not working. But it gives us something better to debug. I just came back to hearing Anthony cackle maniacally. Yeah, well, it is easier to bug. That is true. Cubes is nothing. Cubes. We have this. Cube dot size. Cube and cubes. 8. Well, that's wrong. Larry, thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome. Oh, and I missed a follow from Vicious Uno. How you doing? We are playing the Off by One game. Now it's too big. Okay, well. Alright. Step.cube. Oh. Should be 27. Okay, cool. I was very sad with this one, though I should have redone it. I'm just having like a real rough time with cube intersection stuff. Jenko says, do you have a repo? I do. If you do bang GitHub, you can find my GitHub repos. If I had this done in 15 minutes with too slow in Python, I ended up rewriting in C++ and it worked in 14 seconds. Whoa. That feels kind of slow. That's concerning. I also had off by one problems in part 2 because 1.2 has a length of 2. Yeah. Jenny Pie, how are you doing? It has been a while. Welcome back. Bipolar Bear Please says just don't write in Python. Alright, cool. Have fun. +1 is not good when you have x1 minus x0 is equal to 9. What do you mean? Why is it not good? What would be wrong? Have I used Go before? Yes. A clean way to fix that is make the end bound exclusive. If x0 equals x1, then the +1 is bad. No? It still works for that. 1 plus x minus x. 1 times 1 times 1 is still 1. It's still fine. This is right. I'm pretty sure this is right. I'm not losing... I don't think I'm losing that much sanity yet. Oh, that's what Mars was trying to say? Oh, well. Here, Rona is fucking up Michigan? Well, I haven't really left my house, so... I've been fine so far. Okay, so we do have a cube intersection here. Oh, we end up with a lot of itty bitty cubes here. Can you review the past advent of code? Yeah, did you type got bang GitHub? Try it! I promise you, it's really easy to find. There's 2 links there. One of them takes you here. If it ever loads. And the other one takes you here. Oh, no, we're not gonna search for V for Vendetta. And if you look, there's some very clearly labeled advent of code repos for a bunch of different years. Is Wolfram Alpha down? Nope, it's up today. You create cubes, you not check if they should exist. Oh god, what have you done to the MOTD, Jenny Pie? Is this the right subtraction? 11 to 13, 11 to 13. So we should... So these only overlap on a corner. So we should end up with 6, 8 cubes? 1, 2, 3, 7 cubes. Who dropped the bond in the water? Which messed up the format? Oh, are you trying to do ASCII art? I see. I see. 7 makes sense. 1 from each face, then the rest. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Okay, so at the end of this step, 64. We end up with from here. Hmm. Hmm. 64 and 46. Huh. Hmm. I think the question is if x0 and x1 or y0 and y1 are the same, that means you have a 0 height region, which means it shouldn't exist. My bounds are inclusive, they're not exclusive, so they should still exist. You count for that in your checking? I use greater than or equal to, if that's what you're asking. I think I do. Oh, but the problem is this cube overlaps, this double counts this here. Well, I both do and don't. Oh, Maybe I should switch to non-inclusive then. Yeah, let's see what that does to our cod. Already fixed those. Good. LDAP anthonywritescode.com. No, that's not me. That's someone else. Now our intersection is different though. All of the ones. Oh. We can just do -1s here. Yeah, that will allow us to continue to use greater than or equal to. And we don't have to adjust these, though it would make sense to do -1 on all of these. Then we don't need to -1 and +1 here. Okay, step.cube.size is this. Cool. Continue on to the next step. We got this. Alright, cubes 0.subtract step.cube. Is 19. Ooh, okay. That's good. At least it's the right size. Okay. Next step. This is the off cube. So what should happen for the off cube? Only 19 additional turn on. The rest are already on from previous step. The third step turns off this that overlaps with stuff, leaving these. Okay. Oh, we have a whole bunch more cubes in there. Okay, so that's not working. Oh, it turns off 8? Oh, maybe that was fine then. Maybe that's fine then. Alright, let's see what it does for the big problem now. One passed, one failed. That is the worst result. Also, this number is so big. God damn it. Um... And synthesize a smaller input. How do I have all of these? Where do these all come from? Is there a new... Oh yeah, there's a new one down here. Oh, there's a new number too. Oh my god, did I think I had this number. I think I had this number already. And I just have the wrong expected value here? Son of a bitch. This might actually be working already. Ah. There it is, boys. We did it. So we did the edge refactoring for no reason, I think. It was already working before then. Never been yet. You did it literally. Yes. Also, wait, your Python solution you said took like a minute or minutes. Wait, how is my Python solution like 7 times faster than your C++ solution? Oh, wait. How? Oh, you did it another way. Oh, how did you do it? Because I'm curious to know. I did path compression brute force. Coordinate compression. What the fuck does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Okay, anyway, let's commit some stuff. Does it still have prints in it? I guess I should re-implement my part 1 using part 2, maybe? There are only 800 unique points on each dimension, so you can paint the boxes just that they are no longer width 1. Oh. Oh, that's a fucking cool idea. So then you just have like a bunch of, you have a grid, but with wobbly sizes. And then you just fill in the sizes for all of them. Oh, that's such a cool solution. Wait, too cool for Python? I feel like I could make that fast enough in Python. That doesn't sound too bad. He was using like 20 gigs? Was it 800 times 800 times 800? Oh yeah, that's kind of a lot of points. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of a lot of points. That's fair. That's a little too big data. Big brain though. I wonder if you could there's a bit more overhead in Bitpack so it's fast. If you did it sparse in Python, that would work. Rugby moved up, nice. Yeah, I've been doing not so well the last few days. I mean, still, you know, fairly well, but like I've been falling behind on yield leaderboard here. I did a recursive map reduce. What? Fisher says I did the canceling intersections method, but it took me forever to figure it out. Okay. Canceling intersection. Oh, is that what I did? Subtraction sort of deal? Dino says I was third for part 1 today. Wait, did you get points? Did you get points, Delsp? Like overall third? That's crazy. Oh, in my leaderboard. Oh, okay. Private leaderboard. Wait, can you view by day? I didn't know you could view by day. How does one view by day? Or is this like the extension thing? Oh, the extension. Okay, cool. Nice. I think you did something more complicated. Only created one new box per existing box each time I added a box. Oh, you could do like... Oh, I understand. So instead of actually doing the subtraction, you just keep positive boxes and absent boxes. Yeah. Each step turns on or off a number. It's pretty easily calculable if you take the previous stack and intersection everything with the current step. And how many were already in it and subtract them. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, there's a lot of other cool ways to think about this. I see. If you turn off on a box, calculate the intersection with all other boxes and add the inverse for just the intersected area. Then add all on boxes once. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Cool. Well, I'm glad I actually did the cube math. A little bit insane, but I'm happy with the result. Let's get rid of this walrus though. Well, let's move the walrus so that it's less stupid. This is just a trivial assignment here. All right, well, let's commit part 1. Yeah. Ooh, part 1. Hey, what's up, John Janice Kovacs? Welcome. How you doing? I didn't really follow. I'll have to watch the VOD. Yeah, basically what I did is, actually, I mean, you can just kind of see from the actual compute method here. Parse everything, If it is turning something on, I subtract the cube from all of the existing cubes, and then I add the cube at the end. If I'm subtracting, I just do the subtraction. I don't add the cube on. Which actually can be written as this. Leave. Why are you typing so strangely? Why are you typing so strangely, John Janus Kovacs? I don't even know what language you're trying to use, because it doesn't look like Python, and it doesn't look like JavaScript, it doesn't look like some funky Lisp. Those quotes don't even balance. C++-ish? Not even, though. I mean, it is almost valid C syntax. It's Haskell? Oh. Of course it's Haskell. Of course it's Haskell. My solution was going to all the falling cubes for each cube in the list and subtracting the intersection. Oh yeah, that's what I did. Yeah. Kazaa, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, I like my solution. Input dot text. John Janice Kovacs, thank you for the follow as well. Welcome, welcome. And Dude S14, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Alright, let's run our part 1. A little slow. That's okay. Head to bed. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by, D-Nels. Will I get a nap tomorrow so I'm not exhausted for day 23? Yeah. Indeed. 35? No, we did 4. One more. 1380 is our quote-unquote fast boyo today. I wonder if my part 2 is faster than my part 1. With modifications. I don't know if it's worth doing, but... What terminal? Just, well, I would say it's boring GNOME terminal. But I'm actually running a fork. And what the fork enables, let me make sure everything's in a good state before I potentially crash it. What the fork enables is tab tearing, which has been disabled upstream for whatever reason. I know the reason. The reason is we can cause a crash. Let me actually... I forget whether it crashes the whole window manager or not. We're gonna open up the chat over here before I try and cause it to crash. And now you can... Oh. Hello? Okay, now it is working. And now you can post emotes in chat. But the reason it's disabled is sometimes why is it? It's usually really easy to crash. Why is it not crashing now? There we go. Boop. That's why tab tearing is disabled. Because yeah, you could make it go bye-bye real easy. Narv says, I got the golfers done to a 3D character one statement JavaScript console JavaScript solution. Nice. That's pretty nuts. What's the terminal? This other one? This one is called Terminology. I don't really like it, but you can do images in it. And animated images. Look at that little bongo. Okay, but yeah, let me close this out. Am I gonna catch it crashing this time? No. Yeah, I have not figured out why So you can see here that it started and immediately stopped. I don't know what's happening in this case, and I want to add code for it, but I haven't been able to reproduce it when I'm watching it with verbose. Sending nudes through terminal. You could render nudes in this terminal if you really wanted to. I don't know. Yeah. Could have high quality terminal porn. I don't know if that sentence has ever been spoken, but now I have willed it into existence. Noonmal Elf, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That's an idea. Devastated Daisies, welcome, welcome. How's your whatever day today is? Because I've completely lost track of time. Wednesday. How's your Wednesday going? And Devastated Davies, Devastated Daisies. Oh, I'm losing it. I'm losing it, chat. All right, day 22, part 1. Does it still have all the prints in it? No. Devastated babies. Brand new sentence, yeah. Although terminal porn probably means something else now that I think about it. So maybe that sentence has been spoken before. It's okay. How about you? I do some web development and design. Was hoping to catch a stream for some novice learning. Nice. Welcome, welcome. Love the squishmallows. Yes, yes. We have a few prushies. We got. Oh God, can I remember their name? This is Zach. This is Bub the Sub. This is Carpet. That's Leonard. This is Leopold / Reginald. Noodle. And Ty. I have remembered all the names. They all have names. I've remembered them. Yes. Oops, I put 21 here. Damn. We can do add-p. Yeah. Chem Security, welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Oh, you also have some cat emotes. Nice, nice. Split, yes, no. Amend. But yeah, I think the cool thing about this is I feel like we did cube intersection some other AOC. Maybe not. But at least I've implemented it now, so if I ever need it again, I'll have the code for it. I'm doing well, I'm doing well. X Omega Prime, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Need annotation? Why need annotation? And how do we get away with not needing an annotation there? Yeah, we can't get away with it. List cube. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. All right, that is going to wrap us up for day 22. Oh. Man, I feel like these problems would be way less brain hurty if they weren't in 3 dimensions. Oh, we were supposed to rewrite this. We're gonna do a little bit of rewriting history. Like, why is it so slow? This one is pretty tricky. I don't live in 3D. Yeah, right? Right? Just pay no attention to the force push of Maine. Or the walrus. At least it wasn't a quantum reboot sequence. What? You know what? Maybe this is better not written as a walrus. And not written as a hacky for loop. Or as a hacky list comprehension. Oh, I no longer need these mins, do I? Yeah, this is all leftover shit. Okay, so we're gonna force push again. This is one more indented than it needs to be. Yeah, I actually like this better. We can also put these probably on their own line, and then it is less. I can probably also zip. Yeah. Zip x is 1 colon. This is pairwise, but sloppy pairwise. Is that a thing? What a thing. Parenthesis colon? What's colon equals and sad face? I don't know. I don't know what you mean. But yeah, I think this reads a little bit better than the walrus. The walrus was kind of cute, but cute's not maintainable. Cool. Yeah, I think I like that better. I don't think it shouldn't impact the performance at all. It does impact the performance. It's way faster. What? That surprises me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not what I expect. I guess Walrus is slow. When did this get introduced? 3.9? Oops. 3.10? 3.10. Okay, that's what I thought. Triple nested loops is always faster? It shouldn't be. Usually list comprehensions are faster than oh, you know what it is? I bet it's probably not apples to apples because I removed the sorted. Just because I'm curious. Just because I'm curious, we're not gonna fix the syntax. We're not gonna fix the indents, so it's gonna look ugly, but wild. That's very surprising to me. I thought you hated iter tools. I do. I don't like using iter tools. Sometimes it is useful, but yeah, weird. I wonder if it's the walrus that makes it 200 milliseconds or if it's something else. Because usually list comprehensions are faster than loops. Usually. But I guess not in this case for some reason. Very, very weird. Very weird. But I'm just gonna blame it on Walrus until somebody proves me otherwise. Oh, you know what it is? You know what it probably is? Walrus is sneaky. So yeah, that's probably what it is. Walrus does a stack warble, I think. So if you do this, X doesn't leak, but if you do this, Y does leak. And in order to do that, it needs to jump up a stack frame. So the shorthand shortcut assignment here, when I was using Walrus in the loop, has to do a frame jump, and frame jumps tend to be expensive. I think that's why it's slow. What does the opcode look like that for that? Store deref. Store deref. It's Python. No, don't. Obviously, I want this. Store deref. Stores TOS stores top of stack into the cell contained in slot I of the cell in free variable storage. So it stores it into cell 0. I feel a video coming. Yeah. The thing is, I'm not super confident that that's right. Oh, interesting. Load closure. Pushes a reference to the cell contained in slot I of the cell in free variable storage. The name of the variable is co-cellvars I. It is less than that. Okay. To the cell contained in slot I. Wait, what the fuck is going on here? Build tuple. Load const. Make function. Oh, I see. Yeah. This is the list comprehension function. My video thumbnails are bad. I don't put much effort into them. Because I make so many of them. Yeah. Okay, anyway. I'll maybe do more research on this. Okay, but this is actually gonna wrap us up for today. Kane Jares, hello, welcome. It's working for you? I mean, not really. My videos get like 300 views a video. Like, look at content here. We get a couple hundred views. That's not that many. I'm not complaining. This is a huge increase from what it was 6 months ago. But it could always be a bigger number. But, oh yeah, spoilers. These are the videos. This is the video that comes out later today. I don't know if you remember, but you were in another channel. What? I checked you out. Oh yeah, I was in whose stream was that? Yes, I do remember that now. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up today. Yes, I do remember that, Qualzy. Yes, so my name is Anthony. I upload educational videos to YouTube 3 times a week. That's what these purple videos are. I also upload my Advent of Code solutions every day. And if you missed any part of the stream, you can check out the VODs channel by clicking through to there. So there's the YouTubes. I am streaming every day for Advent of Code. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those Twitter, one of those Discord. You're free to join. Come hang out with us. Cool place to hang out. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. That will hopefully resume after AOC is over. But right now I'm still just doing Saturday streams. And we'll see. I don't know what I'm going to do on Christmas. We may or may not stream that day. We'll see. But anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.